So trying to redeem your Netflix gift card and not finding the option in the app, here's our 2 quick methods to add the balance to your account. So first, when you try to redeem a gift card inside the Netflix app, you may not see the option directly. So in most cases, the app doesn't show the redeem section. So the easiest way is to use a browser. You can open Safari or Google Chrome. Then here you have to search for netflix.com. And once the website opens, sign in with your Netflix account first. After signing in, you will get 2 options like Open App or Manage Account. You must have to select Manage Account, and then from this page, you have to go to the membership option. And here you will see the option Redeem Gift Card or Promo Code. Just tap on it. And here you have to enter your gift card PIN or promo code. Then select Redeem, and your balance will be added to your account instantly. And now here's the second and the easiest method. Just open any browser or directly type www.netflix.com/code. So this link takes you straight to the redeem page. But before that, just make sure you are signed into your account and enter your gift card or promo code and tap redeem, and your balance will be added right away. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Netflix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.